Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, How to Crochet It. Please subscribe, like and comment. For the start, you have any chain you want. Any chain as you like. For the practice, I have 15 chains. Now, go to the second chain and we have single crochet in each stitch. First row, we have just single crochet. Notice that count the chain. We have 14 chain. For row 2, we have 1 chain, turn the work, and in this space we have 1 single crochet in each stitch. Keep going. For the last stitch, single crochet and 1 single crochet. Now 3 chain and go to row 3. For first stitch we have 1 double crochet, for the next stitch we have our pattern. Next stitch we have 3 loops, and now insert the hook, the space row before, grab yarn and grab yarn. Now we have 5 loops. Yarn through 5 loops. And repeat this pattern. Grab the yarn, go to next stitch, grab the yarn. Now we have 3 loops. Grab the yarn, go to row before, grab the yarn, and we have 5 loops. Yarn through 5 loops. next stitch, grab the yarn, 3 loops, grab the yarn, go to this space, and we have 5 loops. Yarn through 5 loops and keep going. Please subscribe my channel how to crochet it. Hit like, share the video and comment. For the last stitch we have 1 double crochet. And count 14 chain. 1 chain, turn the work, go row 4. We have again single crochet in each stitch. Fourteen chain. Now 1 chain, turn the work. For row 4 we have single crochet in each stitch. One chain, turn the work. For row 6 again we have single crochet in each stitch. This is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5, 6. Now 3 chain. For row 7 repeat row 3. 1 double crochet in first stitch. For next stitch grab the yarn. We have 3 loops, grab the yarn, go to row before, 5 loops, yarn through 5 loops and repeat it. Grab the yarn, next stitch, 3 loops, grab the yarn, yarn through 5 loops. For the last stitch, we have 1 double crochet. For the pattern, repeat rows 4, 5, 6, 7. Any length you like. For the last stitch, I prefer to have a single crochet in each stitch. 1 chain, turn the work, and single crochet in each stitch. To have a clean project. You can use this pattern for baby blanket, shawl, scarf, bag, or any pattern as you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, hit share, like, and comment.